Hey, what's up guys? It's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make thrifting and DIY content, so if that's something that you're interested in, do subscribe. Love to have you here. Recently I went thrifting and thought I would show you guys what I got, and a couple of the things do need some like quick little alterations, so I might be showing you that in this video as well. So yeah, not much intro. I think we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. The first place that I went to is called Thrift City, and I picked up a few things. First thing being this leopard print cardigan. It's a v-neck cardigan, kind of more of a fitted one. I think that would be really cute to wear as a top as well. And this was $2.99. I mean, leopard print is pretty much like a neutral. It will go with everything and it'd be good for the fall. I'm really excited to start wearing sweaters again and get away from this 100-degree weather. So here's that little leopard print cardigan on, and it's got a v-neck. It's actually slightly looser fitting, so it's not super tight, which I like. I feel like this is just a good basic top to wear to work or to style in a really cute kind of trendy outfit. You could tuck it into high-waisted pants or a skirt, and yeah, I think that's super cute. I like the pattern on it. It looks mostly like black and white, but it's got some kind of tan and beige and stuff too. So there's a close-up of the pattern. And then this next piece I showed you guys on my stories, a couple different skirts that I was trying on. I've been looking for like a midi length kind of flowy skirt. I feel like they were super cute for spring and summer, but also will transition well into fall. So you could wear like a chunky sweater just like tucked into them. And so I found this one. It is a dark floral pattern print, which I think is perfect to transition into fall. And this one actually is a maxi length on me, but this is one of those that I think I could very easily fix up by just shortening it and doing a quick little hem to make it a midi length. So really love this like blue floral pattern on here. I think that's so cute. Oh, and that was $2.99 for that, which is a steal. Okay, so here's that floral skirt. I think is super cute, and like I said, it is a maxi skirt on me. I would like it to be more of a midi skirt because I feel like that's just more flattering on my height. I'm only 5'2". So yeah, so maybe I could cut this up to, what am I, just below the knee. Okay, so here is the final skirt after it's been shortened. Decided to do it just below the knee and kind of did, or tried to do like a lettuce hem on it, but didn't quite work out with the material. But it's just quick and easy to do, because all you have to do is just fold it over one time and do a zigzag stitch all the way around. So yeah, I really like this length a lot better than just the full floor length maxi. So, oh, and then a couple of bottoms that I got from that store as well. This is just a tailored pair of trousers. It's one of those kind of like paper bag style waists. I don't know if you can really see it. There you go. Kind of like a paper bag style. It doesn't have a belt or anything. It maybe would have had a cloth one, but it didn't. It kind of has like a looser fit, but then a slightly tapered leg, and I think this is just good for work. I'm always needing some kind of like work appropriate pants, I guess. And this was $2.99 also, which is great. And this is what those paper bag style trousers look like on. Of course, I'll probably wear a belt with it to really finish off the look. Even with like this cardigan would be really cute. So yeah, I feel like that's really flattering and it's a little more interesting than just a regular pair of black trousers. And then these other ones, these are a little bit different. So I found these like cargo shorts in the men's section, and they're just black knee length cargo shorts. They've got ties on the edge of them, so you could actually like cinch it in if you wanted to. And you know, the classic pockets and stuff on the side. Honestly, I feel like these are just super cool looking. I don't know, I just kind of have this like vision in my head wearing this, maybe a little bit more of a girly top. But yeah, I just really liked how it really sucked in at the waist and then had some volume. I don't know, that silhouette looked really cool, I think. So I got those for $3.99. So here's what those cargo shorts look like. I know maybe not everybody would be super interested in these, but I think they're super cool. Like honestly, like I just love that kind of like masculine chic that's going on here. And I like the little like ties at the bottom as well. You really even see like the pockets. I don't know, there's pockets on the sides with classic Velcro. I mean, I could just imagine this with like some feminine strappy shoes. I love how high-waisted they are. I think they look really cool. And then I'm really excited about these. I found these really awesome plaid blazers. Got two of them. This first one is this lighter colored one. It's got, what is that? Yeah, black. It's black and beige and yellow in the striping, and it is like an oversized fit, and it's long, which is awesome. I think that is super cute to wear in the fall as well, even though right now it's extremely warm and I can't even think about wearing a jacket. But yeah, I'm just counting down the days till it gets a bit cooler. So that was that one. And then this is another one that's also a tailored plaid blazer, but this one's a dark green and it's got blue, like a navy and white striping on it. And this one actually doesn't have a collar, which I liked, and it is a double-breasted button thing in the front. I think this will be so cute for the fall to wear with like camel colors or cream colors. I think that's super cute. Maybe some brown boots. Yeah, really digging that. So here's that light colored oversized plaid blazer. Obviously it is oversized. I actually really like that. It's structured enough still. Here is a little bit of the close-up of the print and some of the colors that you can see in there. I feel like it's really cute. And here's the other plaid blazer, the green one. This one's a little bit more fitted than that first one. It actually fits me perfectly, I feel like. It's got double-breasted buttons that you could close up, and I think that would be really cute as part of the outfit. But of course also I loved that look where you just leave it open and scrunch up the sleeves. And yeah, really cute with some jeans. I just feel like this one's a super smart looking chic piece. And here's a little close-up of the color and the plaid. Wow, they actually did a pretty good job matching up the plaid here with the pocket. I'm impressed. Vintage pieces, man, I'm telling you, they really worked to make these things well made. I want a close-up of the buttons too because I feel like they look really cute. And then two other like random items from this store. First are these really cute trendy looking sandals. These are like vintage kind of Franco Sarto ones. They're a little bit worn, but they've got this awesome like chiseled square toe, and yeah, just like a really minimal design. So I really loved, like, it was really strappy and didn't have a back to it. The heel is like a really cool like block, and I feel like we see a lot of these kinds of shoes out right now. Yeah, I thrifted these for $5.99, and I really like the colors of it as well because it kind of has like that neutral brownie tones. I feel like it's like, it looks like a barely there kind of sandal. It like blends into your skin tone and it just looks really cool. So I'm really excited to style these in an outfit. And then last thing, if you know me, I love thrifting like ceramic mugs or mugs that look kind of unique, kind of handmade. Those are like my absolute favorite, and eventually I want to get up like a whole collection of them. And so I found this one as well, and this one's not like a handmade one. You can tell it's like an actual like company that makes these, but I really like the design and style of it. I think it looked really rustic and cool. So yeah, I've got another one to add to my collection. Okay, so that was all from that first store. And the second place that I went to is called Thrift Giant, and it just so happened on this day that I went, it was a sale day, which I had no idea, and apparently all of the clothing was $2.99 or less that day. That being said though, anytime that there's a sale, they actually close off all of their fitting rooms, and so I wasn't able to try anything on. So I kind of had to just get things and try on as I could, like in the mirror, like in the aisles. And a couple things I wasn't able to try on. So I'm taking a little bit of a risk here, and usually I don't do this, but yeah, so if it doesn't work, I'm gonna try to make it work, and if it doesn't, then it doesn't. But yeah, anyway, enough about that. First thing is actually a two-piece set, which I was really drawn to the color. and it's kind of a bright color, more so than I would normally wear, but it's this like really light blue set. So it's got a jacket, like a blazer style jacket, and then a matching skirt as well. And it actually came with this belt too, which I think is really cute. It's like a matching blue and white fabric belt. So this is the skirt that it came with. It's actually pretty long, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be shortening it to make it a little bit more modern. But yeah, I really liked kind of like the sporty look of this set, and I also really like sets. This shirt that I'm wearing actually is part of a set too. I just love that you can make so many outfits with each of the pieces, so you can wear them together and make kind of like a statement, but you can also wear them separately and incorporate them into other outfits. So yeah, that was originally $6.99 for the set, but again, it was $2.99 instead. So here is that bright light blue jacket out of that two-piece set. I feel like that jacket actually fits really nicely. It's a very structured, kind of tailored piece. This is a bit more of a spring item, but I really dig the jacket. I think it's a really fun pop of color, and I don't have anything of this color really in my wardrobe. Okay, so the skirt actually fit as well, luckily. It was an elastic waist, but I was worried about the belt a little bit, but it actually fit. I feel like the length is, yeah, definitely longer than I would want it. It definitely looks kind of like sporty, 50s kind of A-line type of skirt. But with the two-piece, I think I would definitely want this to be shorter. So maybe I will cut that probably to like knee length. So here's kind of how like that two-piece looks together and how it would look with it cropped like that. I think this is a total vibe. I like this. This is cute. Definitely spring-y. So I may have to pull this back out for next spring. But yeah, I'm really digging that. I think this would be really cute as an outfit with like some sneakers or something. So here's the set with the skirt shortened, and it's getting late, so I didn't have a chance to iron it and do a blind hem, but that's what I would do to finish it. Whenever I go back, I might actually raise it another inch. I feel like that would look a little bit better with the set, so I'll probably do that. Kind of make it more of like a midi rather than a knee length skirt, just because two-piece set can sometimes look a little frumpy, especially because I'm short. So yeah, I'll probably do that at some point, but here's what it looks like. And this next one is kind of like one of the more riskier ones out of all of them, because it's a medium, and sometimes mediums work and sometimes they don't on me. So this is a really cute kind of prairie style dress. It's a dark green with the striping on it. It's got long sleeves. It's got like kind of like that bustier style top. It's got buttons all the way down the front. Yeah, I think this is extremely cute. We're just gonna have to see how this works, if it works. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. Here's that green prairie style dress, and I'm super pleased it actually fits. I feel like mediums are really hit and miss in the arm department for me, so I'm really happy with that. It's slightly tight around my bust, but I think I just need to wear a different bra. But yeah, I'm actually extremely happy about this one. I feel like it's super flattering. It's like the perfect length, and I actually love the color and the pattern of it. Here's a little bit of a close-up so you can see it's got stripes, and I feel like the stripes help make it really flattering as well. And I love the sleeves, actually. I like the little tassels. It's really cute. I feel like you could probably actually pull the sleeves up like this too, because they're elasticized. And this next one is just kind of a random one. This is a rib knit striped stretchy skirt. So many words, I can't blah. It's a rib knit stretchy skirt with stripes, and I really like the striped pattern on this, and like kind of like the bold red and black and white. It's actually got some blue at the bottom as well. So yeah, I think that can make some really cute kind of like somewhat sporty but slightly dressy kind of outfits. Really cute with like sneakers as well, and a sweater to add even more sweateriness to it. I don't know what I'm saying. So here's that stripy knit skirt. It's slightly loose, but I actually really like it. It's super comfy. Yeah, and I feel like the knit is thick enough to where it doesn't show absolutely everything, which is great. I dig it. And it's super soft, super comfy. Okay, and then these next two are two tops that I got that I am the most like uncertain about, but they were $2.99 or less, so you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. First one is this kind of really simple, lightweight top. The back or front, you can't really tell, has like an open button detail, and it's longer in the back than it is in the front. But what I actually liked about this was that you could wear it this way as the front or this way as the front, and you could probably also wear it open. So I don't know, I just kind of thought that was a cute little versatile piece. This is a, if I can get it sorted, I felt like this was really cute. It's another like dark floral that would transition well into fall, but basically it kind of looks like a wrap in the front. It's got these like flutter sleeves here, and then the bottom is kind of like a ruffly sheer material. I was looking at the tag inside and I realized this was originally from Dillard's for $80, and then it was on sale for $53. Wow, and it's actually a two-piece set, which I'm kind of bummed about. I want the other part of the two-piece set. I wonder if it was like, it's probably a skirt or maybe a shorts, but there was just the top, so we'll have to see about that. Hopefully it works and it will be really cute with some high-waisted pants or jeans. Okay, so here's that floral top, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this one. I feel like it's extremely flattering and really feminine and girly. Be cute to just kind of leave out or even tuck it into something high-waisted. It is a kind of bit loose here, so I definitely will need to safety pin it there. But I like how airy and breezy it is. And the back is actually open. Like it cuts down pretty low and into a square, which I think is really cool. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with this one. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the pattern, and you can see kind of like that wrap flounce situation that's going on here. So yeah, that's all for this haul and try on and DIY kind of mishmash of things. I hope you enjoyed this kind of style of video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That way I know I can make more of these in the future. I really like it because it kind of forces me to actually alter the pieces that I say that I'm going to alter, because there's a lot of times that I'll end up buying something and say, you know, I'm gonna do XYZ to this thing and make it wearable, and then I just never get around to doing it, and it just sits there, and that's such a waste. So don't want to do that. So this is kind of like a way to keep me accountable to actually doing it, and I get to do it with you guys and share it with y'all. So hopefully that's something that you're interested in and find interesting. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, hope you all have a great day. Bye.